Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today is a great day. We've got a full moon tonight, and we can release, trust, and cleanse ourselves of old beliefs. And I have a cleansing prayer at the end of this video that we'll be saying if you choose to. We want to release all our old thinking, all our old thought patterns. If you're thinking poverty ways, get rid of it. Replace it with I am abundant, I am wealthy, I am achieving success. We want to trust the universe. We want to trust God to bring us the best that is meant for us, that we can achieve our goals. We can go in a different direction. We don't have to have a poverty mindset. We can have an abundant mindset. And that goes not just for finances, that goes for our love life, our relationships, our family lives, and everything around us. It's all in perception and a grateful heart for what we have right now. Just like our children, if we've bought them toys and they're not even playing with them right now, they don't pick them up and take care of them after they're a certain age, we get to the point we don't want to give them any more to gripe about. They don't want to play with what they have. They're not grateful for what they have. So why give them something else? It also goes along the lines that maybe a 10-year-old, the dad or mom has taught them to drive on dirt roads or something, but you don't actually hand them the car keys. They might know how to use it. They might be wanting a car, but until they're of age, until they mature, you're not going to hand them car keys to go running around when you know that they might get hurt. They're not mature enough to handle it. So we want to do the inner work. We want to release all those old beliefs. We want to be grateful for what we have right now and be looking forward to what's coming to us. Everything that's coming to us will come to us in divine timing. So remember that. Divine timing is at work here. It's easy to get discouraged if we think about what hasn't shown up yet in our lives. But we turn that around and be grateful for where we're at this moment. This is all we have, is right here, right now, on the way to where we're going. So we need to look around us and appreciate all the things that we have, all the love that we have in our lives, all the abundance. Even if it's $1, appreciate it, because that's going to bring in more for you. Again, we trust divine timing. We trust God. We trust the universe that it has our back. God is infinite. He works on a frequency. All the universe works on energy. So what you're putting out, whether you're happy or sad, is what you're going to get back. Whether you're grateful or griping. If you're griping, you're just going to get more things to gripe about. So remember that. The more happier and the better frequency you can be on, keep your vibes high, the more the universe is going to say, I'll give them more of that. They're happy with it. And that can work opposite. So you want to make sure of what you're feeling. And if you do find yourself feeling down, replace it. Replace it with 3 prosperous thoughts or whatever you're thinking. Think 3 positive things to counteract that. Just be aware is what I'm trying to say. Be aware of what you're thinking and how you're speaking. It's very important, especially in this energy and portal that we're open to right now. We want to cleanse our old way of thinking. We want to cleanse ourselves. We want to cleanse our places we live, whatever it is. Get rid of anything negative around you and accept and expect good things into your life. With the law of attraction, excuse me, we are purposely using the energies of the universe, the laws of the universe, and there are many that we can use to help us propel forward. But knowing the law of attraction is always working for us, we know that we have to align with that energy and make it work for us. Don't work harder, work smarter. Now for the cleansing prayer, if you want to say it with me. I am now choosing to cleanse myself and release any and all thought forms, beings, situations, and energies that are no longer of service to my highest and greatest good, across all planes of my existence, across all universes, and across all lifetimes. I ask that all energies that are less than love be transmuted for the highest good of all. So be it, so it is. Amen. With that, I'm going to leave you. God bless you all. I hope that you have a tremendous day and know that you are deeply and divinely loved. I appreciate and love each one of you, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.